Hello everyone, today we will see the setup for VAT exemption. So let's get started. Currently we are on Shopify App Store. From here directly you can install app. Currently we have already installed. So let's go to Shopify. From here, first of all you need to create account, write your username and email. Now account is created, so go to settings. Here first of all status, it should be kept enable. Then this is apply VAT to. Currently we will go through all products. Then after this is including tax for prices on product page. So you need to add the app block and select here yes to show including prices for particular products. Then after this is upload field. This need to be kept yes if you want user to upload the document for the particular reason. Then after this is link text which will be appeared in the form for the terms and conditions. Whenever user clicks on this text, then an pop-up will appear for terms and conditions, and whatever the terms and conditions will be entered here will appear in this pop-up. So now save settings. After this, go to conditions page. Here you need to add condition. Let's add medical. Status should be enabled. Keep here publish date and add condition. Now condition is added. Then after this is claims page. Then after we will go to theme editor. Click on edit theme. Just go to the left section, app embeds, and enable for the VAT exemption form. Just save it. After saving, we will go to live store. Here just go on cart page. You will see an button to apply for the form. As we have currently enabled for all products, we will click on apply. Here pop-up will appear and you will see all enabled products. Then after select yes. Here enter the user. Then after select reason which we have added in the app. Then just select the document. Check the terms and conditions and just apply. Now VAT is applied. We will go to checkout. Now here as you can see no tax is appearing. Now we will go back and just set no for applying VAT, and we will check. Here set it no, and we will again check out. As you can see, tax is appearing. Now for adding price including tax, we will go to product page and you need to add this block. You can add by just clicking on this plus button, and under apps you will see this block. Then after just save it. So it will appear on your live store. Now we will go back and see for selected products. Here under settings, Just set these selected products and save it. After this, go to products tab. Here we will just enable this product, and you can see this one is not enabled. Now we will go to our live site, go on cart page. Here we have not enabled this product, so here we will click on this and you can see only one product is appearing. We can also disable this one, as currently none of the product is enabled, so button will not appear here. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.